Today's Office 365 goodies is brought to you by Word. Yep, not one of my favorite places, but I'm learning and it's getting better. So quite a new feature is Translator tool in Word, which of course also works in PowerPoint and in Excel. Now, if I'm in Word and I select a paragraph, for example, and I go to review, you'll see that there's translate. So I'm going to just translate a section and it'll open the translator on the right hand side of my screen. So as soon as it opens, it highlights that text there and it then asks me which language do I want to translate this into. I'm rather impressed, I have to say. So I did a test to say Afrikaans. Because I understand Afrikaans, I wanted to see how well it actually translates. So once this is then done, you can then use it in your document, obviously. So if I read that, it's not too bad, it's not perfect, but it's definitely understandable. So I am going to SharePoint Saturday Zurich, as well as the conference in Mainz in a couple of days. So maybe I should look at German, and absolutely none of that, of course, is going to make sense for me. But definitely quite a cool tool to use is looking at these. I can, of course, then just click on insert and it'll swap that specific selection around to the other language. Be very careful to do this and put the articles out there as correct, as it might not be perfectly correct, but it does help us to just get the basics in place. I hope that you enjoy that.